To begin with, make sure all devices are activated. To do this, press and hold the center button on each device for 3 seconds. To connect them together, you need one as the master device. Whichever you want that to be, just press the button 3 times and the LED light starts to flash. This will only flash for 90 seconds to allow for connection. To connect a device to it, go to your device and press again 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. We can now see that that's connected and it beeped to confirm. And now we can move on to the third one. So again, 1, 2, 3. Red light, and that's now connected. Once completed, if you want to stop this light flashing on the master device, we just click once and they're now connected. To test that these are working, if we just click down on one of the test buttons, and we can see these are now flashing. To disconnect either of these devices from the master, all we need to do is press on the button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We'll see it flashing. Press down. Hold. Let go. And then press again. And that's disconnected from the master. We can do the same with the second device, just to disconnect it. So again, 1, 2, 3. We'll see it flashing. Press down and hold. Let go. And then press again. And again, these are now both disconnected from the master.